A conversation that keeps coming up on the podcast snowmobile sessions almost weekly is about the ride signal lights. Whether you call them courtesy lights like the LJE product behind me or the Ski-Doo factory signal lights, there's a couple options out there. I'll call these the two big players in the game. They're the ones I see most on the trail. I just wanted to give you a walk around, show you how both of these systems work, and you can decide what's best for you. The LJE system uses a adhesive strip of LED lights that you can attach anywhere on your snowmobile. I have it on the windshield here. You could put it along the handguard, put it on your body panel, wherever you see fit, and it's going to get noticed when you're on the trail. The way the LJE gets power is from your auxiliary port or your E-Link, and when you start your snowmobile, it also has a colored indicator showing what color your signal light's on. And the nice thing is, it remembers what color you were last on when you power off the sled. You restart your sled, if you're the last rider in the group, it comes back on green. Very handy to have this indicator on the machine, and you can also power your helmet light, Blizzard Buster, off of that system as well. Moving over to the Ski-Doo product, it's a really nice finished LED strip that's actually integrated right into the handguard. You can attach these to any Ski-Doo with this newer style handguard. It's a really nice unit. The way this one works is there's a switch on the dash with indicating color mode. So you can move this switch and it changes the color of the light. So orange, green, white. There's even a hazard light mode to actually flash them both orange. The nice thing about this is it's a nice, clean, professional looking setup. Very bright on the trail. The only con I would have with this is it's difficult to tell which mode you're on when you're on the machine. So it'd be nice to have a color indicator light on the switch or a pass-through in the handguard that you can actually see while you're riding. The only other improvement I would have on this system would be that it remains on the last color you were on. You'll see now when I start the sled, it defaults to white. If I change that to orange, I shut the machine off and restart it, it goes back to white. That's the only two improvements I would have on this system, but it's a nice, clean, really quality installation, and it looks dynamite on the machine, as you can see here. Tell me which is your favorite signal light in the comments, or if you have any questions on how they work and how they function, be sure to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.